Hi guys, Mel's Beauty here. I want to teach you how you can cure your stretch mark with just one product. Yes, so I made this video and it really blew up on my social media platform. That's my TikTok and my Facebook, and I got a lot of questions. Oh, how can I use this to cure my stretch mark? I got over 100 of DMs. I got a lot of DMs. Should I use just Vaseline? Can I mix it with Vaseline and Tretinoin? Does it cure stretch mark of 7 years? Does it cure stretch mark of 8 years? I got a lot of questions, and it was so overwhelming because I was like, what? I'm sure that it took me a bit of time to create this video, but here I am creating it here. So I want to teach you how you can cure your stretch mark, your dark ties. Your stretch mark and your dark ties. Your stretch mark and your dark ties can be cleared using this product you are seeing here. Using this product you are seeing here. Can you see it? Yes. And most people ask me, can I use this normal Vaseline blue seal? I didn't see this in my country. Can I use this? I didn't see this in my country. Can this work for my stretch mark? Well, we get to find out in this video. Stay tuned. There's a lot of misconception that, oh, if your stretch mark is 7 years and above, you can't cure it. If your stretch mark is black, you can't. It's a lie. This would fade it out, but you have to be patient, okay? You have to be patient. A lot of people came to my DM, they were asking that, oh, can I use just Vaseline? Oh, can I use just Vaseline and Tretinoin? Can it cure stretch mark of 7 years? I got a lot of questions about this. And now this video, I want to clarify everything you need to know about stretch mark and how to cure it. I'm going to clarify it under this video now. So what you help me do is you help me subscribe to my channel, and please like and please follow me on my social media pages. Thank you and God bless you. So very quickly, I won't want to waste your time. There are different types of stretch mark here. There's the red, there is the black, there is the tiger stripe, that's the white. Then there is dark ties. This is Vaseline Blue Seal. So this is a cure for both stretch mark or dark inner ties. I want to teach you how to use this effectively so that you would see how you would get the best results. Now, you can use this on your skin alone. When using this, most of you don't even know how to use this for your stretch mark. You just open it like this and then you apply on the surface. And that is all. You open, maybe you have a stretch mark on your arm, you just apply like this. No, you have to make sure that you're applying this properly. It has to like absorb into your skin properly. So I want to teach you how to do that here. So when you open this Vaseline like this here, you're taking a bit size of amount. Then you apply it on your skin. Then make sure that you are massaging it into your skin like this. So you do not just take your Vaseline like this and apply like this and you want your stretch mark to go. It's not going to work. So you have to make sure that you massage thoroughly. You massage it thoroughly on the place, on the affected area, so that it can absorb in it. Do you understand? So that's step one. Next question, can I use only Vaseline? Well, if your stretch mark is from like 6 months, a year, yes, you can use only Vaseline on your skin, okay? If your stretch mark is like 6 months or a year, you can use only Vaseline. But if it's more than a year, and then you don't really have patience, you want to speed up the process, you want to speed up everything, you're going to add a retinol. So this is where retinol falls in here. So this is retinol 0.025. A lot of people came to my DM and they were asking me, what percentage can I use? There are, I think there are 3%. There's 0.025, there's 0.05, and there's 0.1. And then this is Tretinoil gel. There's also Tretinoil cream. So it really doesn't matter if it's gel or cream. Tretinoil does the same work. So Tretinoil can help to make your stretch mark less visible. I think it helps in collagen synthesis, and it helps to form new skin cells on your skin, thereby making the old one peel off. Then a new skin cell is being generated. So when you now add this and this is not a very big combo, because a lot of people might not be really patient for using just Vaseline because it takes time. And another factor you need to have when you want to fade your stretch mark is that you need to be patient. You've had that stretch mark for God knows when, so it cannot disappear overnight. You need to be patient. People are coming to my DM like, how many days will I see results? How many days will I see results? Ma'am, you need to be patient. If you are using just Vaseline, you take your Vaseline in the morning, you apply it on the affected area, you rub it in. you apply pressure, you rub it in. Okay, this is for stretch mark. Yeah, then if you want a faster result, you take this tretinoin. So this tretinoin, you're going to use it 3 times a week. I always tell my customers Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So it could be tretinoin cream, it could be tretinoin gel. But I would like to say you should start from the lower percentage. Yeah. So starting from the lower percentage will make your skin adapt to tretinoin, because tretinoin is not something that you just jump into like that. You know. So you just take this. You see this? When I open it, you don't need to press it again. I just open it. This is what we call pea size. This is what you need for that area. So this alone can serve for the whole of your arm, like this. Can you see how far it goes? That's how much you need. So you take that first, apply on your skin. Apply on your skin. Then you take your Vaseline and apply on top. But then if you notice that your skin is sensitive, you first of all, you can apply any lotion of your choice here first. And after you apply the lotion of your choice, then you apply your tretinoin and your Vaseline. So that is how to use this two combo here. Then if you want other things that can speed up the stretch mark removal process here, you're going to get argan oil. You're going to get Palmer's. So Palmer's has 99% of raw argan oil, and argan oil, I noticed that it is very good for stretch mark. So if you're not going to use argan oil or a body oil, or let's say hyaluronic acid body oil, or let's say we are combining this with Therapy's Palmer's oil, you know that one, yeah. So this one here. So I would get, it's still the same process, you know. I would get my tretinoin. So make sure you're applying your tretinoin before your Vaseline, okay? You don't apply Vaseline before tretinoin. You apply your tretinoin before Vaseline, because this is an emollient. This seals everything off, you know, makes it stay put. You are not going anywhere. You have to absorb, okay? You have to be absorbed into the skin. So that is what this does. So apply your tretinoin first, like this. Then you apply your Vaseline. So you apply your tretinoin first, then you apply your Palmer's oil, then also you can apply your Vaseline. So this is how it's going to be like. So this two can only be used, let's say, in the night when you're not going out under the sun, because tretinoin and the sun have a very bad effect, you know. Even here they said avoid sunlight, you know. You cannot be using tretinoin and you're under the lights. Avoid it. And let's say if the places that you're putting tretinoin on is going to be exposed, like always make sure that that place is covered with sunscreen, because tretinoin and sunlight, they are very bad. Most people come to complain, oh, I apply tretinoin and it make that place darker. Why would it make it darker? Because that place you are also going back under the sun exposed without using a UV protector or a sun shield or anything. It's going to get darker, because sunlight and tretinoin or retinol is very bad. It has a counter effect here, so you need to avoid that as well. Yeah, use Vaseline every morning. Every morning you use this Vaseline, yeah. Then in the night, that is when you can then do tretinoin and Vaseline combo. Do you understand? And this night is just 3 times a week. Please remember, 3 times a week. 3 times a week. And it's better for the strength, start low. Start 0.025 or 0.05. Start low. And then use a pea size amount. Do you guys get? Another alternative to stretch mark, Palmer's skin therapy. You can get the body lotion and the body oil. You get the body oil, you use the body oil every day. You use the body oil every day. You can then add the tretinoin in the night. Layer with the Palmer's oil 3 times a week as well. Is that understood? Yeah? Any question? Moving on to the next. I can't find this in my country. I can't find Vaseline Blue Seal Aloe Fresh. What do I do? Can I use this one? The normal Blue Seal. Well, let me teach you how to use this one and probably get the same results. Okay, we want to get our own aloe fresh here. If you don't know, aloe vera is very good for stretch mark. That is what makes this very distinct. It made this very distinct because of the aloe vera it has in it. Aloe vera has regenerating properties, and this can help to reduce the stretch mark appearance over time. That is what makes this Vaseline aloe vera very unique, that probably this one cannot do. So it's very simple. Do you get? So let's do it. So I'm gonna take a pea size of this, yeah, on my hand. Then I'm going to take this one, guys. That's it. You have your Vaseline aloe vera. Very simple. Yeah, apply it on the affected area. Apply it. So either like this, or you apply the aloe vera first, which is even better. Apply the aloe vera first, then you apply this on top. Apply a very generous quantity, and my dear, you've gotten your Vaseline aloe vera. It's gonna work. Now, same applies to your dark ties. If you have dark ties, this is going to help to fade it. You have dark ties, your two ties are always, rubbing together due to hyperpigmentation, due to heat, due to friction. Apply this on that place. So people, they mix it with lemon. Let me teach you guys something. So people, they mix it with lemon. So I'm going to be teaching you how to DIY dark ties, dark underarms, dark pussy. I'm going to do a DIY video for it. So you apply this on your dark under ties. You apply this on your dark ties. If you're just doing this religiously morning and night, and then scrubbing that area effectively, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. There's something again that you guys need to make sure you are doing. While trying to fade your dark ties, make sure you have a good sugar scrub. I'm going to recommend using a turmeric scrub. and kojic acid. So if you're using turmeric scrub and kojic acid, the combo, and this Vaseline, that dark ties will be gone. It will be gone. So this brings me to my last step, the last step of how you can fade your stretch mark. I told you that I'm going to teach you guys so many ways in which you can fade your stretch mark here. So the last step is using a Derma roller. I don't know, I think I should make a different video for this, but let me just tell you guys, and use the Derma roller. Derma roller can actually improve your stretch mark, because this will help to create tiny holes in your skin, thereby improving collagen synthesis, which is the same thing retinol does. Please take note, do not use this and your tretinoin or your retinol or any other exfoliants together. Don't do that. It's going to damage your skin. You want a faster result and you want something, an alternative method to cure your stretch mark here, Derma roller. So you're going to be using this on your skin like this. So when you are done with this, when you have Derma rolled up, down, side, up, down for like 5 minutes, you do this twice a week. If your stretch mark is black or color, then you now take a vitamin C, something that has active vitamin C here. So you are going to apply your vitamin C on that place. Know what vitamin C does to your stretch mark? Vitamin C plays a huge role in collagen synthesis. So I'm going to explain how you can use this properly in my next video. I'm going to dedicate a video to this Derma rolling. Yes, let me not confuse you guys a lot. So yes, any questions? And this is the different methods you can use to cure a stretch mark, and I'm sure you will definitely see results. Amen. Mel's Beauty. Thank you guys for sticking by me, and let me know if there's any other thing you would want me to talk about.